In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Gmail. If you've ever switched email providers, got a new phone, or want your address book to show up when you start typing in Gmail, this is the fastest way to bring everything in. We'll do it through Google Contacts, which is the hub that stores and manages your Gmail address book and syncs it across your devices. Start on a desktop browser and head to contacts.google.com. Sign in with the Google account you use for Gmail. If you use multiple Google accounts, take a quick glance at the profile picture in the top right to make sure you're in the correct one. Everything you import will be tied to this account. On the left sidebar, click Import. This opens a small window where you'll choose the file that holds your contacts. Google Contacts supports two common formats, CSV and VCF, also known as vCard. A CSV is a simple spreadsheet-style file with columns like name and email. It's what you'll typically get when exporting from services such as Outlook or another Gmail account. A VCF is a vCard file, which is what many phones and Apple devices export. Click Select File, then browse to the CSV or VCF you saved on your computer. Pick the file and click Import. If you're moving from Outlook or a different email service, you likely have a CSV. If you exported from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, you probably have a VCF. Make sure you're choosing the most recent export so you bring in your latest information. After you click Import, give it a moment. Google Contacts will upload the file and add everyone to your address book. When it's done, you'll see your new contacts listed. From now on, when you compose an email in Gmail and start typing a name or address, Gmail will auto-complete using these imported contacts. They'll also sync to other devices signed in to this same Google account, which is especially handy if you use Gmail on your phone. While you're importing, you can assign a label to the contacts you're bringing in. Labels act like groups, making it easy to organize work contacts, family, or a project team right away. That label will appear in the left sidebar so you can quickly filter or email that set of people later. That's it. Open Google Contacts, click Import, choose your CSV or VCF, and let Google do the rest. Your Gmail address book will be updated and ready wherever you use it.